Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add an image in your Webflow website. So firstly, open up your editor, then click at the plus icon at the top left corner, then scroll down until you find media column, then simply drag and drop the icon called image, just like that. You can also adjust the size to your liking. So now after adjusting the box, you can just click on choose image. Then if you want to choose any image from your asset folder, you can just simply do that, just like that, or like that. You can just simply choose from your asset folder. But if you want to choose from your desktop, so for that just simply click on the cloud icon and then choose any image of your liking. Like for example, I will choose this one, and then just click on the image and press open. Then it will be added in your asset folder. After that, just simply click on the image. So as you can see, a new image has been added which was not in your asset folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.